So let's start with a good posture. Feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms down, take the feet wide apart, and we'll start with a forward bend. So hands on the hips, and we'll inhale, exhale, bring the body forwards, trying to keep the back flat, body parallel to the ground. And then come on up, inhale, exhale forwards, keep the head and neck in line with the spine. So nice flat back if you can. And come back up. One more inhale and exhale, coming forwards. So remember, just wherever you can, nothing should hurt. And coming back up. Now if it feels okay, we'll add a little back bend. So palms of the hands into the lower back. And we inhale, exhale, looking up to the sky. Inhale there, exhale, come forwards to that halfway point, body parallel to the ground. And coming back up. Inhale, exhale, looking up. Inhale there, exhale forward to flat back. Come back to standing. So one more. Inhale, exhale, look up. Inhale, exhale forwards. Either stay at the flat back or slide the hands down the legs towards the feet. And then roll back up. And we'll bring that right arm up. Inhale, exhale to the left. Come back to center. And again, inhale, exhale. Maybe a little further if it feels okay. Come back to center. Inhale and exhale. And come into center, swap the arms over. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale to the right. Come back to center. Inhale, exhale, and center. One more inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Bring that arm down. So balance pose, we're doing warrior 3. So just one on each side. So stand on that right leg. Bring the left leg up, bring the body forwards. So again, trying to get the body parallel to the ground. Once you're steady there, try and lift that left leg. Toes pointing down, hips in line. And if you want to, try and bring the arms forwards to wherever you get to. And then we'll come on up and we'll do the other side. So standing on that left leg, bring the right foot up. We'll inhale first. Exhale, come forwards to wherever you think is parallel to the ground. And we're lifting that back leg. Try and straighten both legs if you can. And bring the arms forward if you want to. Remember, we're just working on your pose. And we'll come on up. So standing pose, we'll do high lunge to start with. So we'll have that left foot forward, right foot back. Both sets of toes facing forwards. The front knee is bent. So you can stay in this high lunge position if you want to. Or we're going to add a little move, which will challenge the balance. So what we do is we straighten the front leg as we bring the arms up. So inhale, and then exhale, bend that front knee again as you bring the arms down. So inhale, straightening the front leg, bring the arms up. Exhale, bend the front knee. And again. Inhale, lengthen up, straighten the leg. Exhale, bend in the knee. And inhale up. Exhale, bring the hands down. And one more. Inhale. And exhale. Now bring that back leg forward and swap to the other side. So right leg forward, left leg back. Toes pointing forwards, front knee bent. And make sure you're steady first. Now we'll inhale, straighten leg, bring the arms up. Exhale, bend the knee, hands down. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, down. Now inhale. And exhale, try and sink down through the middle. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale down. Now bring the back leg forwards. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. So shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, bringing the in-breath to the lower hand. And then we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.